Tara, swimming.
Ako nga pala si Kay, favorite food and travel enthusiast. We're going to Bali, Vietnam, and Singapore nang walang passport. Tara, let's!
Welcome to Puerto Serene.
Yes, this is Puerto Serene sa Barangay Ibabang Ilasan sa dulo ng Cadena de Amor Street. This is the newest place to be ngayong holidays. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na!
Right now, we're at Puerto Serene and we're trying in the water. Kahit medyo malamig, okay lang. So, let's try the water. 1, 2, 3, go!
That's one take, walang practice, hininga lang person. Entrance fees, 150 pesos. At ang pinaka-budget na cottage that they have is the Kubo for 1,000.
Let's swim! So right now we're at Puerto Serene and look at the view. And the water is also so clear. Let's try the water. 1, 2.
Kasi, ganda yun. People are asking kung ganun daw ba kaganda. Walang edit yan. As is, yung vibe niya ganun talaga. May massage, kawa bath, and bathtub din sila. But unfortunately, hindi pa rin siya available nung pumunta kami. I hope nag-enjoy kayo at nayaya kayo ng tubig because every story gets better when shared. Tata!
Aside from editing, writing, kung hindi ako busy, so this is what I do. I swim.